Affiliate marketing can make your business into a winner. Affiliate marketing is really often overlooked, but affiliate marketing can be a win-win for every celebration included. Affiliate marketing can make sense for someone looking to make money online because they are generally offered all of the marketing tools needed to market the company, such as banners, links, and signature links. Affiliate marketing makes sense from a service point of view because affiliate marketing allows a company to have thousands and thousands of complimentary salespersons attempting to offer their items. Affiliate marketing can be great for the person seeking to make money online. A bulk of the time all of the setup work is done for you by the company. All you need to do is drive traffic to your links or banners. Normally most companies pay out about 10% of the total sales per consumer. It simply truly depends on the business. Businesses love having people join up as affiliates given that it resembles totally free marketing for the company. In order to make a lot of cash as an affiliate, you need to have one of two things. You must have a lot of traffic and clicks going to your links and banners. Or you should offer high-ticket products or work for companies that offer a great affiliate portion. Affiliate marketing can make you a lot of cash, but it does take work. It is not something that happens overnight. Many people have learned this the difficult way. Due to the fact that affiliate marketing will assist in producing sales, affiliate marketing can be terrific for a company. Many Fortune 500 companies utilize affiliate marketing as a method to assist in increasing sales. What makes affiliate marketing so fantastic for many organizations is the advantages offered through affiliate marketing. You can literally have hundreds of countless online marketers selling your item for you, at no cost to you. All you do is pay a portion when they do make a sale. That is pure revenue, plus having affiliates offer your item does not come with the headaches of having workers. One thing to bear in mind: the better you take care of your affiliates, the better affiliates you will have to sell for you. Some businesses provide big bonuses, automobiles, and getaways to their top affiliates. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to generate income whether you are an online marketer or an organization. You ought to take full advantage of the benefits of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is really often overlooked, but affiliate marketing can be a win-win for every party involved. Affiliate marketing makes sense from an organization's point of view, since affiliate marketing enables a business to have thousands and thousands of totally free salesmen trying to sell their item. Affiliate marketing can be fantastic for an organization due to the fact that affiliate marketing will help produce sales. What makes affiliate marketing so great for so lots of companies is the benefits offered through affiliate marketing. One thing to remember: the better you take care of your affiliates, the better affiliates you will have selling for you. Thank you for looking at my video. Ian Jackson.